Chakras. I'm off talking about your energy field again. And tonight I'm going to talk about chakras. And I'm Lyn Johnson. I am a shamanic energy practitioner. And in a previous video, I talked about how I use the energy field, your energy field, to help you with issues that you might seek my help with. Well, the chakra is very much involved in this. So I'd like to just take a few moments and give you an idea about what the chakra is in my practice and in some others too, but different folks may explain them a little bit differently. But the word itself means wheel. It is an ancient word. It is thousands and thousands of years old. It's from the Indian, the Ayurvedic tradition. Chakras are used in Eastern medicine along with meridians, and sometimes you might hear somebody that is involved in some of this say something like their chakras are blocked, or they really want a chakra clearing, or any number of different things. Well, chakras are shaped, if you could envision them, as a funnel, and they have movement. There are 7 that we work with primarily. There are many more. You may have just heard my dog walk in. She was hassling and her collar was jingling, but she has chakras. Cats, horses, and people. We have 7 primary chakras. They start at the top of your head with the crown chakra. They continue along your spinal column and that vagus nerve. They end up at the last point of our spine. That particular one is called the root chakra. I won't name them all. They have a different color associated with them. The colors of the rainbow: red, yellow, orange, green. And they have a different sound. They move, they create a frequency, a sound from that. And each one has a unique individual sound. So that's just a very basic thing. But they are part of this this electrical system. They are located over large bundles of nerve endings, and that's that message center in our body. There's a connection with the endocrine, the hormones. So they can have a lot of influence both emotionally and physically. Well, how I use them is very similar to the discussion that I shared, and I'll put the link at the end of the video, about our energy field. And I use them both in correlation with each other, but the chakras are actually something that I can envision remotely and open or close and work with you through your energy field and through that circular, rotating, funnel shaped area. And that's basically what chakras are. So now if you hear somebody saying, how my chakras are blocked, you might have an idea what they're talking about. But I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you will leave questions or comments down below. Subscribe to the channel. It helps with the algorithm that YouTube uses. And who knows, the question you leave may be the next topic that comes up. And if you subscribed, you'll get notified and you'll have a chance to grab it and watch it. Anyway, until next time.